In this project, we are working on text matching problem. Text matching is related to image matching, and image matching is to get foreground object from an image. But for text matching, we are going to get a foreground words from an image. And this problem will be a little bit more complicated because text has a complex structure. To solve this problem, we are going to use a two-stage pipeline. And the next part is the background introduction. So text matching is related to image matching and text detection. So we list some papers in these two fields. The third part is our method. So there are two parts. The first part is data generation. And because we are going to apply deep learning into our model, and deep learning requires lots of labeled data. But according to our survey, there are many data sets for image matching, but we cannot find any data set for text matching. So what we are going to do is to generate a data set for it. So this figure is our method for data synthesis. So we have a background sampler to get a real image, and we have a foreground sampler to get color and texture. And there's still a math sampler to get properties of text. And after a simple composition, we will get our data set. And the next part is the pipeline model. And pipeline model has two stages. The first stage is to get text regions. And the second stage is to get a trimap and map generation. And this stage has two parts. The first part is TNet. TNet is a classifier of three classes. It will separate foreground, background, and unknown region. And the next part is NNet. NNet is to retrieve detailed information. But according to a paper in citation 7, NNet cannot preserve foreground and background information very well. So we still have a fusion module to bypass some information from first stage. And after these two stages, we still have a post-processing. Because the output of this pipeline has several text regions, we want to find a best text regions. So we have applied some ranking technique and some simple mathematical method to as a post-processing to get our final results. The next part is experiments. So for the training process, we are going to train our model with generated data set, but we will evaluate with some real data like real movie posters. And we will evaluate our model with four different metrics. And we will use the sum of absolute differences and mean square error as our training loads. We and this figure is a sample of the results from our model and our competitor. And actually, our competitors are some state-of-art image matching methods, and we apply them to text matching problem. And it is a little bit hard to dis distinguish which one is better by image. So we show you the metrics for for these competitors and our method. And as I show in this table, we can find our method has a better performance. And the conclusion part is a simple analysis of our model, and we try to show you some analysis about how it works and why it will works. And this is our final report of this course. Thank you so much.